We're going to the 54th floor. Look at that. Big ballin' down the hallway. We're going to make a left down some more hallways because, you know, we got a big room. We're staying at room 54016. This is going to be the one-bedroom penthouse fountain view at Vdara. Look at that entrance. Spectacular. We're going to go with the guest washroom. It doesn't have a shower, but it has a cool little storage space. But it's great when you're entertaining guests. We have a whole living room area kind of / kitchen area. Washer and dryer. It's a full-size washer and dryer. Love it to wash your clothes. Look at that living room area. That couch actually does pull out to a queen-size bed. The views of Las Vegas and the Bellagio fountain. I mean, you wait till you see the nighttime view at the end of the video. Spectacular. Look at the living room area. Plenty of space to entertain and hang out and relax. Spend time with friends, family, loved ones. We got a work / study area. Good to have that. Entering the master bedroom. I mean, wow. Look at that bed. That's where all the magic happens, baby. It's super comfortable. Look at this view again. Let me take you the view one more time. That's Bellagio. That's Bellagio fountains. We got Paris in front of us. But going back to the room, beautiful. And now let's enter the master restroom. Oh my God. Wow, wow, wow. Dual vanity sinks, a lot of counter space, so there's no fighting. We have the toilet right there. Shower and this beautiful jacuzzi / soaking tub. So you can lay back, relax, and just enjoy it. That's closet space. Plenty for some shoes and bags or whatever you want to put in there. And we're going to show you another shot of the room. Very spacious, very comfortable. Super comfortable bed. Definitely love it. And we got some more storage area right here. Put your luggage. Got some more stuff. You know, storage space, the usual. And the view at night. Beautiful, beautiful views of the Las Vegas Strip. The views are to die for. And the room is spectacular. Definitely worth it.